The Southern Area Engine Academy is a course that lasts about 80 hours. It's spread out over 7 days, so it's super intense. Students learn to use a variety of water handling equipment and the Wildland engine tactics.
When it came to the real life situation and they were in it, they applied what they learned there, and it was pretty cool to see that.
There's at least one instructor for every 3 students. That relationship, it's special and it means a lot.
The students that we had go, what they learned at Engine Academy came into play multiple times this year on our prescribed fires. You need to give them the stress in the school so that when they're on the job, real life, they've seen this stress before. In a blink of an eye, you have to become a team and become one.
It's the interagency training, and it's great that commissions get involved in some of that. This was the first one in North Carolina.
Been a great experience. It's something that should continue to happen in North Carolina for the benefit of all agencies that are involved.